Now I'm trying out driving while vlogging, and we'll see how that goes. It feels awkward because I'm not used to having a camera pointing at me and I'm talking alone. And then people can see it also. If they're in the other car, they can see it.
How do you like it?
Ask YouTube.
It's my favorite.
Try this one now.
I just bought it. No, I didn't. I should though. Okay.
$8. That's such
Why
a
does it have a rat tail in the back?
Wait, don't show the camera. Hurry, put the shit on. Here, pumpkin head. See how,
Look,
like,
wait, let's
how it
show
has
the
to
rat
hold
tail.
camera? Is it someone's real hair?
Oh god!
No, is it?
Better not be.
I don't think it is.
Just leave it. Just leave it. Let's go find Sam.
Okay, I'm total zoomed in. I'm zoomed in, eh?
Yeah,
so
no.
you're backing up trying to...
I'm trying to figure out how to unzoom.
I want to look at purses.
How the How do I do this? You look so happy as you're walking in.
You press the minus sign.
Oh, okay.
Do you like this purse? I'm thinking about getting it.
What do you? I think it's beautiful.
You know what I have to learn to do? To
No?
hold it like this and then talk.
Yeah. Well, I'll see if you're getting yourself. Turn, so I can. Well, you got it. Like that. Let's see if I can do it.
Wow, yeah. You're good.
Oh, I'm so good. Let's even walk around. See, I'm so good.
I'm so good. Oh my god, just do a video of... Yeah, I am.
Yeah, but I didn't put anything on yet. You're gonna end up waiting a while.
Why? I was following your feet going up and down.
Alright, come on, get everyone to the bus covers out there, come on, let's take it one more fucking Merci beaucoup tout le monde.